Oh yes, guys. So my hubby made dinner today and it is looking delicious. I can't wait to eat. Chicken almost ready?
Oh yeah, almost ready. It's just
God bless and sanctify this food in Jesus' name I pray. What you say, Daddy? Oxtail a cook? So we like that. Oh yes. Peas in a pot. Oxtail in a pot. Let's say carrot juice with beetroot.
oh yes.
Mm-hmm. What do you mean when I eat vegetable? We eat vegetables, sir. Okay. Real Jamaican vegetable, cabbage and carrot and thing. Yeah. What you say, Daddy?
Oh,
Yes, Sunday dinner on the way. Okay, so the vegetable is ready and it's lettuce and tomato, cucumber, and shredded carrot and cabbage. Mm.
Mommy, I'm bringing the donut.
Yeah. So here, Daddy is just making some French fried chicken, and he covers the seasoned chicken with flour, and then he puts it in his hot oil to fry. Chicken tastes really good when he does it. Is the chicken almost ready?
oh yeah, almost ready. It's just soaking down.
Oh, okay. Here, the chicken is almost ready, and we have our rice and peas, and the rice and peas is ready. So I'm about to share the dinner now. Daddy always cook most of the time, but he doesn't share. So I always share the dinner, and I always share my husband's dinner first, and serve him at the table. Um, that's just something we've done. I've done ever since I met him. So now it's just like something that I automatically do every time we have dinner. Even if we don't talk and we have a little vexation or something, I still serve it and without saying anything and still put it on the table. Carrot juice. God bless and sanctify this food in Jesus' name I pray. Mmm. It tastes good. Cheers. This is a typical Jamaican Sunday dinner. Rice and peas and oxtail, your fried chicken and your little vegetable on the side. I actually had plantain, but just got tired and lazy. My dinner was great. Thank you, Daddy.
All the time.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.